Hello everyone, my name is Zhengze. I make the video about my digital forex assessment tool. Assessment tool has part A and part B. Now we will answer these questions. Look at the part A. First one question. Commit your student number to MD5 hash. So we open permit here and input count. This is my student ID. So we can get a hash file value. We look second question, save hash in a notepad, and record the hash of the file. We input this command, the file name, the hash. We can see this is a hash file and record the hash of the file. Okay, we finish. Next question, does either of the following change the hash? Where or why not? First one, change attributes, not change hash value. Hashing is based on content, not attributes. Second, change permissions. For control, modify read or write, not change hash value. Permission do not cat content. Next question, change extensions. Not change hash value. Content unchanged. Change email to yourself and download it. Not change hash value. File not removed. Open the file with spaces. The hash is changed because the content changed. Next, remove the spaces in file. Change is the same because this the value the file content change. Next, delete the file and recover it with Forex software. No change data is not overwritten. Delete the file and recover it with backup software. No change the data has not been modified. Fifth question, does add the following change the hash? Send the file 10 times. Not change the hash will be set on the file content. No matter how many times you send it, as long as the file content remains unchanged, the hash will not change. Next, does the hash of the packet change? Uh, the hash is changed. The data packet not only have the file content, but may also have some metadata, such as timestamps, source IPs, and the metadata changes the hash will change. And does the last question, does the hash of the content change? Not change the content of the document as unchanged. The sixth question, import the notepad files as a hashing part to Forex software. Switch forces of the hash. Does it switch for the file or content of file is plan? I import the file in advance. This can save time because it's very slow to open. So we use Windows 7 and open this. I'm import the digital. We can see have two file. We switch. We can see the hash file. We copy and car keyword switch. You can switch. Have two result. The hash content is my student hash value. With first is based on hash values is not based on file content. This is my document. In the following figure, the hash value of the student's number is switched. You can see in there is the result. You can find the switch is for hash value corresponding to student number. The software will look for all fields or data fragments with the same hash value. Next question. Open the content of the packet user reverse the MD5 hash. What was the end value? And the eighth question will and explain the history of your network traffic with Wireshark. We save two this question together. So we open the Wireshark. Uh, I'm prepared and prepared in advance, so we use this. This is a list of Wireshark history packets. You can see the source IP, destination IP, address, network, protocol, and some information. Let me introduce Wireshark. The package history. We can see the three-way handshake, determination, and the determination. Wireshark compared a total of 5 TCP data packets. The first data packet include the content entities, the connection request to the server. This is the first step of the freeway handshake. The second step of the three-way handshake, there you can see the full response to the connection request and in data is also ready to receive. Step 3 of the three-way handshake, the connection is set. The client confirms the server's response. The fourth package send the ARQ data to the server, and the fifth package the server confirm the repeat of the data. we can see the fourth date. The fourth package we can see they have date and write client. We can see this is our hash field. We copy this and reverse hash file value. Into there, and this is the free password hash we passed and back hash. We can see result part B. Learn a new tool. Explain that we have not learned in class. Explain how to use it. What would do with it and the is working. Okay, we close this and open HXD. HSD the we open this. HSD is a powerful and free hexadecimal editor. It can view and edit raw bit data from disk memory and files. I will use it to recover one picture. We can see the desktop have three pictures. We drag it. We look picture A, picture B, and picture C. We can see picture A and picture C is a good picture, and picture C uh there was a problem at the beginning, so you can look right. This is his ask. You can see there and find the same. We can see picture A is the same and picture C. He start messy code. So we look how to save it. We copy this and paste in there. Then we fill out for the picture D. We can see is a good picture. So this is a recover picture. Hmm. Oh, we finish all test. Thank you.